Have you ever thought what it would be like to live next to a beautiful lake? But do you have the kind of life that requires you to live close to city amenities, close to an international airport, but you kind of desire to be around peace and tranquility and surrounded by nature's beauty? Well, hello folks, I'm John Hershenberg of the Hershenberg Group. We're standing right now on one of our spectacular luxury listings on the north shore of Lake Grapevine, an 8,000-acre lake with all the activities you might imagine. Fishing, boating, water skiing, jet skiing, hiking along the shores, and more. This is lakeside living at its finest. Nestled in the neighborhood of Point Noble, a gated community along the shoreline of Lake Grapevine with a short drive or walk to lakeside hiking, horseback and bike riding trails, marinas to house boats and jet skis. You're also a 10-minute drive to the many amenities of Flower Mound and Highland Village, giving you the best of both worlds. Lakeside living, city amenities, and a short 20-minute drive to DFW Airport. Now please join me for a short tour of the inside of the home. This 5-bedroom, 2-story home sits on over 1 acre with lovely lake views and lake access, over 6,900 square feet, and has undergone a complete makeover within the last 3 years. Elegant wood flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, a modern contemporary interior and exterior. Other updates include windows, doors, furnaces, AV systems, ceiling fans, plumbing fixtures, roller shades, baseboards and trim, landscaping, designer lighting, and audio and automation throughout the home. Additional living spaces include an executive office, exercise room, and a third-floor entertainment area with a terrace and a treetop view of the lake. A man once asked me, John, what day of the week do you consider the most enjoyable day throughout your lifetime? I thought about it a minute and I said, probably Saturdays. You know what this beautiful place reminds me of? A lifetime of Saturdays. Isn't it time you considered enjoying the fruits of your labor? You want to see what life would be like alongside a beautiful lake surrounded by this beauty? Well, reach out to us and we'll be happy to schedule a tour for you, because you've got to see this place in person to truly appreciate it. Do it today, don't wait. Then you can start experiencing what it's like to enjoy your lifetime of Saturdays. We'll see you soon.